welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy. I'm really excited to have you here today. We're not doing any crafting, but I want to have a quick word to you about the offerings that Stampin' Up have on offer at the moment through celebrations. So our new mini catalogue has gone live. It is now available. This one is packed full of wonderful crafty goodness for our holiday season. So whether it's Thanksgiving, Halloween and Christmas, everything is included in this catalogue. This is an amazing catalogue. I cannot wait to show you more of what's inside. It's also celebrations time, so Stampin' Up have done something a little bit different. This is the first year where they're offering celebrations twice throughout the year. So previous years you could have celebrations for 3 months at the beginning of the year. Now we're going to celebrate celebrations twice, but they're going to be 2 months in each for the first and second part of the year. So exciting. This is our second celebrations offering. So let me show you the catalogue. This is all free products that are in this catalogue. There is stamp sets and dies and designer series paper, wonderful items. Now, how it works if you're new to Stampin' Up is you place a qualifying order. So in this catalogue, there are $90 items and $180 items. So you just have to make a qualifying order of that amount to choose that as your free gift. So obviously, if you spend $180 worth of product before postage, you can either choose two $90 products or you can choose one $180 product. So that's how it works. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me and I can happily help you out. Now, if you don't already have these wonderful catalogues already and you're not ordering through another demonstrator, please get in touch with me. I'll happily send you one out. But if you are ordering through another demonstrator, please get them to send you a catalogue, as the catalogues do cost us money. And I would happily help you out with that one. So at the moment with celebrations, we also have a joining offer, which is super amazing. This is the little flyer that we have. Now, it's normally any time of the year is a fantastic time to purchase the starter kit, but through celebrations, there is a little bit of extra bonus as well. So I want to talk to you through how and why being a demonstrator is fantastic, but let me tell you the offer to start with. So we have the starter kit is $169. You're going to choose $235 worth of product. Now that is a saving of $66 straight up. You're getting $66 worth of product for absolutely free. You're also going to pay no postage to you for that first order. So there's another bit of a saving. But we also have a bundle offer throughout people who are purchasing the starter kit throughout celebrations. Now they are selected bundles and I have them all listed in the description of this video, so you can click on those links and that'll take you over to my site and you'll see all the different bundles that are available. Now the bundles that are available are up to the cost of $104.25, so you could save yourself an extra $105 by choosing the most expensive bundle. There is wonderful bundles there. They're all Christmas and occasions themed. And there are some die sets and stamp sets as bundles, and there's also punch bundles, so a punch with a stamp set. So you've got lots and lots there on offer. And like I said, in the description of the video, there are all the links there to all the bundles on offer. So please go over and have a look at those. Now I wanted to actually go through why purchasing the starter kit is so wonderful. And I want to actually talk to you a little bit first off about why I joined. So when I first joined, I was not a card maker, I was a scrapbooker. And I used to always go to the scrapbooking shops and purchase all my supplies and do it that way. It was getting harder and harder to find those scrapbooking shops, and for me, who I live in regional Victoria, I'd have to go all the way to the other side of Melbourne to actually be able to visit a scrapbooking shop. So I wanted something a little bit more local, and I don't even know how I come across Stampin' Up. I think it was on Facebook, and I got in touch with a demonstrator close by and asked for a catalogue. So she sent me out a catalogue, and this actually ended up being my upline. I signed up as a demonstrator under her. When I got the catalogue, I was absolutely amazed by the quality of the product. I could see in the catalogue how nice it was, and what really got me was coordination. So if you've ever gone to a craft shop where you go in and you buy printed paper and ribbon and cardstock and all that, and then gotten home and very hard to coordinate anything. You've got printed paper that you don't have anything that matches to it, and I had a lot of supplies, but a lot of it wasn't usable because it didn't all match together. Now, going through the catalogue when I first received it, I loved the fact that there were colour families. So there's brights, subtles, regals and neutrals, and all those colours matching together, and they have matching cardstock and designer series paper and ribbons and embellishments, and everything matched perfectly, and I loved that. I thought, this is going to make it so much easier. And you could see that the quality was there with the products. So instead of purchasing off the lady who I purchased the catalogue off, I thought, well, I might as well get the discount myself. I knew that if I purchased the starter kit, I would start off with a 20% discount, and that's a 20% discount is huge. And I thought, I'm going to go with that. I'm going to purchase that, and I'll get my own discount. Why purchase it off someone else if I can buy it myself for the discount? It was the best thing I ever did. So that is the reason I joined, was to get the discount. And I think it's the main reason that most people join Stampin' Up. It is the first reason why, but it's not the reason why I've stayed for 6 years. The reason I've stayed for 6 years is the community, the friendships, and the fun that I've had with fellow demonstrators. And that is my main reason why I've stayed. The products are still fantastic. I'm still loving the products. I still love the coordination. I still love the discount. But the community I feel by being in Stampin' Up is what's going to always keep me in for as long as I can. I have friendships from around the world, and Stampin' Up is around in Europe and USA and Canada. They're in Australia and New Zealand. They are everywhere, and I have friends from all around the globe, and I think that is absolutely amazing. It's amazing to be in little old Australia and to have friends everywhere. Being a demonstrator, you get to purchase the products well before the customers, which is usually about a month in advance, and this is a great opportunity to actually see what's new, to play with everything, and to have it before anyone else. And I think it is a wonderful bonus of being a Stampin' Up demonstrator. You get to create wonderful projects and samples, and then show your customers. So having them a full month in advance, or usually a full month in advance, is a great bonus as well. Stampin' Up do exclusive events for demonstrators. These are a little bit different during COVID times. We've done them online through COVID, but when we get back to normal, the in-person events are fantastic. You get to network and see your friends and meet new friends, and it's always wonderful. The Stampin' Up home office are always there. You get tons of training, you get to play with new products, you get new products just for attending, and it is so much fun. I highly recommend, even if you're already a demonstrator and you've never gone to one of the Stampin' Up events, try it out because it is fantastic. I've only ever missed one, and I've absolutely loved every single one that I've gone to. With the events, you do training and business tips and crafting, and it's just so wonderful to be involved in that. Flexibility is really great in Stampin' Up as well. You can be a business demonstrator where you run classes and events and do Facebook Lives and YouTube. You can also just purchase the starter kit and purchase supplies for yourself at that 20% discount. You don't have to sell Stampin' Up to be a demonstrator and to keep your discount. Although if you are a demonstrator, you can always sell it to just family and friends. There is so much flexibility there. You're not tied into anything, and you can run it how you wish. Stampin' Up's products are high quality, and I love that. They are guaranteed by Stampin' Up, so if you ever have any problems, you can get in touch with them and they will replace it. If you have craft with other products before, you'll probably know that most cardstocks out on the market now are not dyed all the way through. Stampin' Up's cardstock is dyed all the way through, which is fantastic. For the other quality of cardstock, usually it all has white core in the middle, so it's not dyed all the way through, you've got the white core in the middle. So if you're tearing, it has that white middle. So I highly recommend Stampin' Up's quality because it is superb. Stampin' Up offers business support. They have demo support there to help you if you have any questions. There's also DBWS, which is our online store, and there's also a demo website that you can go to and get a lot of information from. So all this training is offered for free from Stampin' Up, and it's a great aspect of being a demonstrator. Stampin' Up also offer creative support. There is an exclusive Facebook group called Demonstrator Planning Place, and that has so much content in it. Not only fellow demonstrators popping their projects on there, so you're getting tons of inspiration, they also do training and support there as well. Stampin' Up also do weekly updates, and with that weekly updates they send out an email which is called Succeed Weekly, and it has both projects and tips and tricks as well as some training. So you are going to get a lot of training and creative support as well. Stampin' Up also offer opportunities to earn money depending on how you work your business and how much time and effort you're putting in, but you do get money back on not only your orders but your customers' orders and your team orders. So there is opportunities there to work yourself up to a full-time income if you would like. Another opportunity is you can earn host rewards while saving yourself money. So there is so many different reasons to join. I just want to quickly talk about my team. I have a very small team called the Inky Stampers. We get together every single month with a team meeting, and we always do a creative challenge. We love the friendships and getting together and just creating together. So if this in any way interests you and you would like to maybe talk to me a little bit about purchasing the starter kit or joining my Inky Stampers team, I would love to have the opportunity to chat with you about that, and I would love to welcome you to the group. Okay, I think that's everything that I had to quickly say with you. Like I said, if you have any questions, please get in touch with me. And yeah, I'll be back with another video really soon. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.